Hello everyone. Rainy season in India? Don't let it ruin your hydroponics. While rainwater is naturally soft and great for your plants, heavy rain can dilute your nutrient solution, throwing off the pH and EC levels. So, here is a crucial tip. Collect and store rainwater for future use. It is clean, has a low mineral content, and is perfect for topping off your nutrient tank. But during a downpour, make sure to cover your nutrient reservoir and pipes to prevent dilution. This ensures the plants get a consistent, balanced feed, leading to a better harvest, rain or shine.